welcome to another installment of Mustang Monday. So it's Zenica's turn today. We'll probably do Felicity next week because I just happened to be able to get Razzle and Dazzle separated last time. Hello. So, Berella's kissing me. Gross. Alright, well, I guess I need a shower now. Oh! Yuck. And I forgot my hat. So I have hair in my face. And Zenica's getting bored. So we're going to go start getting her going. Zenica, can we touch? Hello? Out, please. Come on, Mama. Good girl. Good. There you go. Can I wipe your face? I feel like it's been forever since I've worked with her. Good. Didn't get the stuff off your face, but you let me try. Brilliant. Brilliant. Good. You can get this eye. No? Yes, maybe. Sounds good. You target? You remember? You can do it. So I should have told her she was good. But I missed my window. What do you think? You target? You can do it. Oh, yep. She's right. I'm wrong. Oh, the camera doesn't play over like everything else. Hey, it didn't. Okay, that was okay. I'll do Mustang Monday early so we don't have to deal with the wind. You target? No? Okay. I mean, you don't have to. You gonna get a beverage? No? You target? Good. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Target? Good. So I'm just trying to build up a positive reinforcement history with the target. We haven't done it as much as I should. Good. Because this is a very useful way to teach a horse to lead, among a great many other things. It's a very useful tool. Good. But you're such a scaredy horse. Target? Good. There you go. Try that. Give her a little break. Dog, are you helping? The cat's hanging out here today too. So my next step is I'm going to use the target to get her to put both front feet on the mat and then see if we can get her to stay still on the mat. Hi, Brell is still helping. Hi, Brell. Have a snack. Are you done? You touch? Go back to something easy. We touch? Good. There you go. You target? Good. You target? Now the trick is to get her to keep both feet on here. Target. You can do it. Good. Seeing she's letting me be more on her side, which is hard for her. Target. Good. Now I'm gonna jackpot right here because she did keep both of her feet on there. And ask her to target again. Target. Good. Now I'm gonna step back, come in. Is your mouth full? Step back, come in. 2 steps. 2 steps. 1 step, 1 to the side. 1 to the side. Girl. She's like, what is this? Good girl. And I'm not giving her the bridge work because I just want her to stay here. And then I'll target because she stepped off, right? Give her a minute to chew. Good. And then I'll toss them on the mat. Give her a little break. So she does better with much more frequent breaks. Right? I wonder what time it is. I do not know. Is that good enough for your break? And go the other side. You target. Good. Is that scary on this side? Fair. Good. Over here. Good. Good. So I'm just rewarding her for touching the target. Reinforcement history building. So close. Good. There you go, good girl. You missed. Good. Oh my goodness, you scared yourself. Poor baby. Poor little girl. So funny. Dazzle does that sometimes too, though. They're very much peas in a pod. Good. She didn't touch it that time, but she still got it good because she got scared and she's still trying. Right? You're still trying. Good. Good. You gotta keep that foot on the mat, please, madam. Good. Almost. have her. There you go, good girl. So I'm going to feed her extra here right now until she keeps that foot still. You're very spitty. That's good. I'm going to take a step back, step forward. Oops. There you go. Back, forward. Feet on the mat, please. Feet on the mat, please. You busy chewing? Do you need another break? Is it harder for you on this side? Good girl. If I can get her to bring that other foot forward, maybe she'll stay better. Good. I'll start giving her smaller handfuls till she swallows some of this. Do you need a break? Good. Very spitty. Step back, step forward. You can have it. Are your friends leaving? It's okay. I'm going to give her a break. Girl. You touch. Good. So scared all the time. I wish she didn't get so scared. Make it a little easier. Make sure you put your questions in the comment section, and I'll answer when I get a chance. Felicity's going to get a good grooming this week, I think. You still have more. It was a lovely day. We have a terrifying amount of dryness. There's my kitty. Hi, Odio. Can you hear her talking? She's very quiet. Such a good cat. I think you still have some more snacks left. she pretty? She's so beautiful. I love her. All right, you ready to go back to work, girlfriend? Retouch? Okay, so she's looking away. So I stop. Retouch? Good. Oh, you're so good. So smart and pretty. I didn't do it. I don't know what you're scared about. Oh, yes, I do. That's terrible. She'll come back? You do. Oh, you're so brave. You're such a brave girl. Touch? At least she warns me when those dust clouds are coming up. You touch? No? You scared? How about if you just come and take a snack? You don't have to touch. Stupid wind. Once again, it was really nice and not windy until I hit play on the video or record. You can have it. Oh, baby girl. Where you going? Try this way. Good girl. That was brave. Good brave girl. You touch? Target? Good. Very smart. Very smart girl. Target? Good. E for effort. Good girl. Target? Good. I'm saying good a little early because I would rather her get rewarded for attempting than me tell her the right behavior is to move away from the target. Reward her for stand. Put. Good girl. I keep this short. Good. Oh, nope. Try again. Move away. Move toward. Come on. Move that foot. Good girl. You're so smart. Move away. Move toward. Yes. And that way, that time, she didn't move her foot. So I'm going to come over here and we're going to give you some snacks on the mat. I'm going to refill my little pouch. And we'll do something different. And then Burrell's going to come home. Hi, Felicity. Can you hear her talking? Burrell. Oh, it's nap time on the poop pile again. You're so cute. turn, bro. It's not your turn. Oh. Oof. Thanks for that. Horse nose to the ear. All right, want to do something different now? I touch your face. Good. That was brave. Such a good brave girl. Face. Good. Side of your face. Good girl. Good girl. Your cheek. Almost. That's your face. You back away now. Come closer. Good girl. I'm going to go ahead and give her a snack for coming closer. That's not your cheek. Good. That was pretty brave, though. That's right. It was pretty brave. Cheek. Don't be rude, dog. Good. That was your cheek. That was your cheek. That was so good. Cheek. Close enough. Right? Close enough. Cheek. Good. Switch hands. Face. Good. Oh, I'm not good at feeding out of this hand right now. Good. Good. Your cheek? That's not your cheek. E for effort. So no good word, but she gets a little snack because she's trying. Your cheek? Good. You done? Again. Cheek. Good. That was really good. That was so good. There you go. Check in. Cheek. Good. It was very good. Cheek. Good. So I'm waiting for her to make contact with me. It's really hard because I just want to pet her. Cheek. And if you'll notice, I'm creeping closer to her neck. Good. And she's going to fix it, so I just lost all of that progress I gained. Cheek. Good girl. Whoopsie. Bro, you're not helping. Thanks, bro. Try this side. You can have your reward. There you go, good girl. Good girl. That's your face. I want your cheek. Come on up here. Come on up here. Good. So you see, I didn't move my left hand when I asked her to target my right. I'm going to reward her a couple of times. See if she can feel more comfortable standing next to me. I'm so scared. Good. Perfect. That was so good. Cheek. Good. And I pull my hand back every time too. So I don't make her allow me to touch her while she has her reward. Good. Step back. Cheek. Good. Good girl. Cheek. Good. Neck. That's your cheek. That's your cheek. Good. Neck. Almost. That's your cheek. Neck. Almost. You can have it. Good girl. I need her to stay farther forward. So I'm not going to ask her for anything, but just take food out of my hand. Which, if you'll notice, is very similar to how I asked her to stand on the mat. Good girl. Good girl. I'll go back to cheek. Good. So that's easier. Neck is hard. Good girl. Cheek. Good. No jackpot. Cheek. Good. Neck. That's your cheek. Not into the neck today, huh? Good. Oh, you're very close to me right now. Yes, you are. You're very close. I think we're past due for a break. Good girl. Neck. That is not your neck. Good. Neck. Oh, are you thinking about doing it? You are. Good. Yeah, good girl. Okay, we're done. There you go. All done. So we are calling that done for today. Such a good girl. She's so pretty. Just wish she were braver. Felt safer. So we keep working on it. Keep trying to be really consistent and calm and steady. So she can start to trust us. It's been a long time and she's still not trusting us. But she better. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next Monday. It'll be Felicity's turn, I think. And I hope you have a fantastic day.